Canva or Figma? If you're looking for the best between the two, this is the video you need. So let's get into Canva versus Figma. Alright, let's begin with their introduction. Canva is a visual designing app for creating flyers, posters, presentations, infographics, and social media posts. Figma, on the contrary, is a UI and UX designing tool to create prototypes of websites, applications, and everything in between. Although Canva can be used for UI designing, Figma has tools to make prototype designing super easy. In terms of tools, Canva is the king. It offers a wide range of options. You find text titles, image editing options, thousands of fonts, animations, elements, images, videos, and more. Figma is known for its highly flexible shape tools. It also comes with a pen tool to draw custom shapes. In this program, we find rectangle, arrow, line, star, slice, hand, and some other tools. Figma has a few tools that Canva does not. Figma supports CSS for elements. It also supports advanced grid system, great layer duplicating system, and layer inspect system, making it perfect for prototypes. Alright, both allow you to present designs. Canva comes with standard presenter view with present and record buttons. Figma has those presentation devices. You can choose one of those and the presenter window will display the prototype in an emulator. You can also select the fill option to show each page one by one. Another difference comes down to page size. Figma does not limit on design sizes. You add all the pages for a project in one canvas. Canva supports 8000 pixels by 3125 pixels at max, but you can add multiple pages to one design project. One of the great things about the two is that both allow you to collaborate real time. Team members can work on the same projects, they can comment on specific design elements or mention others for feedback, review, conflicts, and everything else. Both also support sharing and exporting of files, but Canva is the winner for this round. With Canva, you can store designs directly to cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Regarding downloading files, it supports MP4 for video designs. For images, it supports PNG, JPEG, PDF, SVG, and GIF formats. With Figma, we can publish our work to the Figma community, but that's pretty much it. You can export files in JPEG, SVG, PDF, and PNG formats. Let's talk about templates. Canva has over 600,000 templates, and of which around 200,000 are free. Most are photos, but some are video templates. Figma also has templates. It has over 300 pre-made design prototypes. There are some third-party services that also offer Figma templates, but combined all, it can't overtake Canva. Now before we go to the pricing, I want to talk about their mobile apps. Canva's mobile app offers the same features as the web, so you can design, edit, and share files. Most options are available, however, you will miss some if you use the advanced features. Figma's mobile app allows you to view and share designs, but it does not support creating new ones. That can only be done on a desktop. Alright, which one is cost effective? Canva has 3 plans: Free, Pro, and Teams. All the basic options are in the free plan, so it's enough for newcomers. Let's take a look at the Pro features. Some of those include 1 TB cloud storage, access to premium fonts, over 600,000 templates, and more. You only pay $12.99 monthly or $119.99 yearly for this plan. The team plan costs $14.99 monthly for the first 5 users. You can get the yearly plan for $149.9. The team plan is flexible, so you can add and remove users. You will pay extra if you extend your team. Figma, on the contrary, offers free, professional, and organization subscriptions. With its free plan, you can create 3 Figma files, add unlimited collaborators, and use widgets, templates, and plugins. The professional subscription costs $12 per month per creator on the yearly contract. Some of its options are unlimited Figma files, sharing permissions, and version history. So which one is for you? It all comes down to what you want to achieve. If you want to create infographics, posters, flyers, social media posts and presentations, Canva is the program you should consider. No more questions. If you are a prototype engineer or in something similar and work on UI and UX projects, Figma is your friend. Anyway, this is it for this video. Thanks very much for watching it. Please let me know what you think of both in the comments and smash that like button if the video helped. I'll catch you later. Until then, take care.